In this video, we're going to review how to export your Insta360 images from the Studio application. To get started, select whichever image files you want to export from the left-hand footage panel. In this video, we're only going to be exporting one image, but you are welcome to select multiple and export those all at once. Once your images are selected, come on over to the top right of the screen and select the yellow export button. In your photo export settings, first thing you'll want to do is select the Export 360 photo option. If you have Export Reframed Photo selected, all it's going to do is it's going to export a 2D image based on the current direction and view of the preview window. So to make sure that you have a full 360 interactive experience, you'll want to make sure that you come over into the Export 360 photo options. From there, you'll want to modify your file name to be accurate and relevant to whatever the content is, and then you'll want to select your file path to wherever you want this file to be stored on your local storage device. From there, you can change your resolution settings. I'm going to leave this as is for now. You are also welcome to do that. And then once you are ready, come on down to the bottom right of this window and select Start Export. Once the image is exported to your device, it's going to appear as a single panoramic image like so. Once you import this image into a platform like ThingLink, it's going to automatically connect the left side with the right side, so that way you get a full interactive 360 experience. Keep in mind, you are not going to be able to interact with this image like in your preview app or in your photo review app or gallery app on a PC or Mac device. You need to be displaying it in a media player that supports 360 image files. Make sure you check out more of our Insta360 Studio tutorials or reach out to the Faculty Multimedia Center for further assistance.